Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Guru Ravi, and in this video we are going to just understand the operation of normal logical AND operator and the short circuit AND operator. So I have just taken a scenario here where I am having three variables A, B and C, and we are running a loop. In the loop we are writing a compound Boolean expression where this is your one condition and this is your second condition, and here I am using the logical AND operator, and at the end of the loop I just want to print the value of A, B, C. So it will print the A, B and C value concatenated with each other. So let us understand how logical AND operator is working, then we will see how the short circuit AND operation will be different from the logical AND. So in this case you will start from here A plus plus, this is post increment. So value will be incremented after comparison. So here 2 will be compared with B minus minus, again post decrement. So we will compare the value 5 only itself. So 2 is greater than 5, this condition is false. This condition is false, so we will go to the right side. We will go to the right side because it is a logical AND operator. If it would have been the short circuit AND operator, so it will not go to the right side because the first expression results in false, but here it will go. It will go to the right side and it will calculate the condition C plus plus is less than 5, C is 3, yes 3 is less than 5, so it will return true, but it was false, but still it will execute. Overall result is false itself, it means loop will not run. Loop will not run and your output will be, the value of A will be incremented to 3, the value of B is decremented to 4 and the value of C will be incremented to 4. So this will be your output, right. In this case you are going to get this as an output. On the other hand, if I will be using here the short circuit AND operator. Now in case of short circuit AND, you will evaluate this condition in the same way. 2 is greater than 5, this is returning false. If it is returning false, so it will not evaluate the right side. It will not go in this side and this portion will not be evaluated, and hence the value of C will not be incremented. So at the end of the loop, false, this is not evaluated, the result is false, loop will be terminated, and after termination it will print. So what will be the output? 3, the value of B will be decremented 4, but value of C is unchanged and it is 3. So this is the difference between the output of logical AND operator and short circuit AND operator. Even after the first expression returning false, logical AND will evaluate the second, whereas in case of short circuit AND operator, if the first expression is resulting in false, it will not evaluate the second expression, right. In the same way we can have the OR operator. For example, if you have this OR operator here, we can write some case here. I am writing here A plus plus A is less than B minus minus, or C plus plus is greater than 5. So let us suppose I am writing this kind of code here. So let us understand this case. We will have to evaluate this output. So let us understand, we are using here the short circuit OR operator. So what is the feature of short circuit OR operator? If first condition returns true, then it will not evaluate the second, right. So let us try to understand how it is working. Plus plus A, so A value will be incremented and it will become 3. 3 is less than b minus minus. This is post decrement. So, decrement will be done after comparison. So, 5 and then 5 will become 4. So, 3 is less than 5. This condition is true. This results in true, and we are using short circuit OR. So, if you are using short circuit OR, so do you think that this will be executed? It will not be executed because the result is already declared. In the OR operator, if any one of the expression is true, then the result is already declared. So, it is returning true. So, it will not evaluate this particular position, and the next iteration will be running because the condition is true. Next iteration again you will check, it has become 3 and 4. Now, again it will check plus 3, it means it will become 4. 4 is less than, b is 4. So, 4 is less than 4, the condition is false, right, and b will become 3 now by post decrement. So, 4 is less than 4, this condition is false. Now, because this condition is false and we are having short circuit OR, now the second time this case will be executed. Why? Because now this is false, it does not mean the result is false. OR operator says that second expression if gives you the true, the result may be true. So, it is important now to evaluate this. Now, it will go for the second expression and it will check C plus plus, C is 3. So, it will compare 3 is greater than 5. So, the answer is 3 is not greater than 5. So, it is again false, but suppose if it is C is something like this. So, what will happen? C plus plus, it means 3 is less than 5. So, the answer is 3 is less than 5, true. So, it means next iteration again it will go and C is updated to 4. Now, third iteration again it will be executed. Why? Because this resulted in false and this resulted in true. So, false or true is true. It means the overall condition gives you true. It means next iteration is allowed. Next iteration you will go, again you will check plus plus a. So, plus plus a means a has become from 4 to 5. 5 is less than b minus minus, b is 4 here, sorry, b is 3 here. So, 3 minus minus post decrement. So, b will be decremented after that. So, b will become 2. So, 5 is less than 3, the condition is false. False, no problem because it is a short circuit OR. We have to check the second expression also. We will go to the second expression. What second expression says that what the value of C is 4. 4 is less than 5. Again it is saying yes, 4 is less than 5, right, and then C will be incremented because it is C plus plus. So, 4 will become 5, right, but false and true will give you true. False or true will give you true. So, true means next iteration is again continued. Again next iteration you will go here, a plus plus, plus plus a means 5 will become 6, plus plus a will make it 6, is less than b minus minus, the value of b is 2. So, 2 will be compared, but 2 will be decremented to 1 because it is a post decrement, and then the result is 6 is less than 2, the result is false. 6 is not less than 2, it is false. So, it is false, it means second expression should be evaluated. So, let us go to the second expression. What second expression says that C plus plus. So, C value is 5, 5 is less than 5. Now, this condition also gives you the 5 less than 5, which is false. So, yes, it is false and plus plus will take place here, so it will make it 6. Now, it is false or false, it is false. It means next iteration will not take place. It means loop will terminate, and if you will come outside the loop, you will print A, B, C. So, what is the value of A? The value of A has become 6. What is the value of B? B value has become 1. What is the value of C? C value has become 6. So, your output will be 616 because we are using the short circuit OR operator. Now, this is a small task for you. In the same case, instead of short circuit OR, if you are using a logical OR operator, then try to calculate the result, and then you will find the difference between the output of short circuit OR and logical OR operator, right. So, that is all for this video. Thank you so much.